honestly a really bad time to start my vlog. It is 5:30 p.m. and I've already done so much today. So I woke up and went to church with obviously Caddy crew, and then Jane joined us today. And then we all went to lunch. We went to Buffalo Wild Wings, and then some of us went to Tanger. Maddie and Rennie. Maddie had work, and then Rennie had homework. So me, Jane, Abby, and Lauren, we all went to Tanger, which was right across the street. And then we got an outfit for Jane and just hung out. And now I'm packing a bag to go to Maddie's tonight because tomorrow we go beach. I'm so excited. I've already started packing. I've already started, I had decided to do, a beach bag. So this is, my bathing suit and the shirt I'm going to wear to the beach with my flip-flops. And then the book Abby's letting me read, What If It's Us? It is actually really good. I've only read one chapter but at this point. But it is so good. And then I have my clothes right here. And I'm bringing my sweatshirt Rennie got me because I love it so much. And yeah, so I'm going to finish packing, sort my laundry, and then wait for Maddie to get off work, I guess. Maddie!
Hey! Oh,
She's giving us all our bracelets.
I'm
Let me see yours.
Oh, I'm putting it on right now, but it's blue. It's light blue.
Maddie, bracelet.
These are so good.
Bracelet to her. So cute. And then this one's mine, and then she's still finishing Abby's.
I like this one better.
Wait, take a bite of one. That's gonna be the beach one. Perfect. Hey guys, we're making TikToks on Abby's phone. Maddie is being Maddie. Lauren's laying on the floor.
She wished there was torment.
Lauren's laying on the floor. Lauren!
I'm on the mattress. You're not even putting me in the video.
Are you in it?
No.
I was supposed to be in the video.
No. There I am.
They didn't include. I was supposed to be in the video.
I hate saying this because then everyone on Twitter is like, "You're lying. I hate you." I was supposed to be in the video.
Really?
What is the fastest land animal? It has a
Cheetah!
Oh
my gosh, it's cheetah.
It's a cheetah. Who's the 16th president of the United States?
Abraham Lincoln.
No, he was 14th.
No, it's Abraham was 14.
Abraham was 14.
The other, of course, being George Washington. But this is Abraham Lincoln.
I knew it!
Don't you feel silly? Don't you feel stupid? Don't you feel a little ashamed?
I thought he was the 14th.
No, y'all are stupid.
Greatest of all time.
Maybe think about hitting the bus as well.
No.
It's the greatest of all time.
Woo!
Gang gang.
We're loud. We're making snacks.
Do not get me in this. I look so bad.
Wait, what am I?
The rainbow sheep of the family.
That's me?
That's
It's a smooch attack.
Oh.
Miss Linda got me.
How are you feeling, Rennie?
I'm really good.
Good. What's your shirt say?
It says Reagan Bush. I was born in 1966. Wow. No, I was doing the math so I would be able to vote.
So they chose this cup for me for my water. Is this Lily's cup, Betty?
It's mine.
Oh. Abby's still doing trivia by
These people
herself.
are uncultured swines. They don't know Disney.
I meant to paint my toes before we left because I'm going to wear sandals tomorrow.
That's why I always wear socks.
You're going to wear socks
But you don't seriously wear socks in the beach. Oh, I thought you should be doing it in the house.
No, I meant like for the beach tomorrow. My toes are.
Oh no, I brought Birkenstocks. I brought Birkenstocks too.
I keep your picture.
John, are your toes ever painted?
Sometimes.
What color? Yellow?
Yeah, of course. What did you just call me?
That was Maddie.
Wait, that was Maddie?
I didn't say anything.
I thought it was you.
You win with your gay stuff.
Okay, we're in the bathroom. I'm with Rennie while she gets unready.
Show me getting unready. Get unready with me.
Get unready with me.
I made a steal a pillow from you, John.
So I just washed my face and I'm gonna put moisturizer on. Honestly, I think this is like body moisturizer, but I've been putting on my face.
Wait, let's
for, like,
see.
months. No, it just says moisturizing cream.
Oh.
So, but I've been putting on my face for like months. And I really hope it's. I mean, it works good. So.
Oh, that's all that matters, right?
But is it making me break out? Maybe. Cause like.
Wait, do you actually think that?
No, I don't think so. Except I think it's like just in the wintertime, my skin just gets so bad. I don't know why. And it's my hair. What is going on?
I need a haircut really bad. Because it's starting to make me like break out.
I
So.
just have a lot of scars. And so.
Well, you're beautiful no matter what.
Thanks, love you.
Mm-hmm.
And then I need to put my self tanner on. But that's my little secret.
We're watching After We Collided now. Eating popcorn. Drinking water. Hey guys. What time is it?
2:18.
It is 2 a.m. And what this?
Toothpaste.
Can I use it?
So I gave it to you.
Thanks. Anyways, we finished watching the movie and I got really sad. I don't know why. But now we're brushing our teeth and going to bed. She has a teddy bear in her bathroom, sitting on her toilet, that stares at you when you pee. It is the worst thing ever.
No, it's for my chair in college.
She's buying a butt cushion.
For a chair.
I'm scrolling through her Amazon wish list. We just woke up. We're the only two awake right now.
Okay, well,
Everyone else is still
I can
sleeping.
delete all the bedding options.
Okay, we're all alive and functioning now. We're all in our swimsuits. Abby's filling up her water, and Maddie's curling her hair to go to.
Some weird reason.
Me and Abby got our books, and we're so excited to go to the beach. Okay, guys, we made our first stop. We stopped at the gas station, and me and Maddie. We got bread. We got muffins.
Chips, mayonnaise, a knife, a weapon, a Gatorade. Abby's a felon. Are you Abby Lee? Yeah, actually. I cannot sit like a normal person, so.
Yeah, give me some more.
Vlog takeover!
This is our setup.
I feel like John and I are the mom and dad, and John's in the back, like, screaming.
Abby can't sit with her feet down. My feet are. I must have to tell
And I just
my hair. Give me another muff.
I was gonna clean out my truck, but y'all like left before I could like get to it.
because I'm sweet.
Me and Maddie went to the gas station. I got Gardettos. I don't want you to see my toes. I got Gardettos.
No free
And
toe picks.
I got Gardettos, a Coke Zero, and then I got Abby a little coffee thing, and Maddie got her gas, Cheez-Its, and her coffee, and Lauren's Monster. Okay, bye guys. Do you think it's gonna be Valentine's Day or President's Day?
I think it's right there. President's Day.
Halloween! Halloween! We just chilling on the beach. We're just vibing.
I found a starfish.
She found a starfish. Looks pretty cool, actually.
Yeah. Then nobody wanted to go look for shells with me, so I found a starfish. And then everybody's jealous.
The little kid's gonna steal all the good shells before he can look. Okay, guys. I'm going to look for shells with Lauren. She seems lonely. So I'm gonna look for shells with her.
I'm part of a sand dollar in the corner of this shell. At the middle of a conch shell. love Coke shells.
I hate the biggest here. I don't think you'll find very many sharks today. Because I
How
don't.
do you know?
Sharks aren't dying.
They have to die for a teeth
No,
fall out.
sharks don't die in February.
What? They have to die for a teeth
Sharks
to come out.
don't die in February. Okay, I'm leaving. Love you.
It's just the wind. Hi, Vlog.
Maddie's going into the water. It looks like.
She knows smart.
But it's too cold. It's freezing. Should we just
It's warm, it's just the wind is chilly, so.
The water's freezing. Look who's back.
She's just standing there, staring at the water.
Maddie is?
Yeah.
Child. Anyways.
Oh, what song am I listening to?
What does that do with my starfish?
I didn't do anything.
What song are you listening to?
I was listening to a worship song, but now I'm listening to Bad Habit by Steve Ray.
Nice. Abby, what you doing? What book? Nice. She has, what is it? Amazon Unlimited?
Like, we could say.
Oh, my body's aching right now. I don't know why. Because I slept really good last night. Okay, we're on the walk now. Maddie! Oh wait, yeah, these are pretty.
My sister said to bring back some cool shells. Tell her I got her.
It is very warm. No. Okay, we just got back from the beach. We went and grabbed our stuff from inside, and now we're going home.
I'm really tired.
I'm gonna take a fat nap. My head hurts so bad. I feel so sick, but yeah. I am so sorry for this late upload. Those like clips were from February. It is now March. But I did finish the book I was reading in that time frame, as well as the sequel. So I finished What If It's Us and Here's to Us, both amazing books, highly recommend. But now I'm reading The Unbecoming of Mara Dyer, which is also very good. But yeah, that's really all I have to update y'all with. I'll probably be talking about books a little bit more. I've been getting really into reading again, which is great, obviously. I've just been cleaning my room because we're redoing our carpets. So I'm cleaning it up, obviously, a little bit before we do that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see y'all next time I post. Love y'all so much. Bye.